Fires that have occurred recently in the Greater Toronto Area, including Hamilton, serve as an unfortunate yet powerful reminder about the importance of home fire prevention and the life-saving difference that working smoke alarms and a home escape plan can make during a fire. Home fires like this one are far more common than many people realize. In 2022, fires took the lives of 133 Ontarians, according to the Office of the Fire Marshal. Unfortunately, the highest number in decades. Most of these fires and the damage they incur could be avoided with basic safety measures.
As a member of the fire service for 34 years, I know too well how damaging and sometimes deadly a fire can be. However, my sincere hope is that the recent fires are used as motivation by all Richmond Hill residents to take steps to protect themselves and their loved ones from fire. I want to remind residents of the importance of having working smoke alarms in your home. Working smoke alarms cut the risk of dying in a home fire by half. They provide early warning of a fire and more time to escape safely, but they can't do their job if you haven't done yours. Install smoke alarms outside each sleeping area and on every level of the home. For added protection, install one inside every bedroom. Test all alarms every month by pushing the test button. And to remember to check the date on the smoke alarm and replace all alarms before they expire.
Please do me a favor. Test your smoke alarm right now to be sure they're working. Let's work together to prevent another tragedy.
Anyone who has further questions or needs additional information about home fire safety and prevention can visit our website at www.richmondhill.ca/fire or contact us by phone, email, or social media channels. Thank you and stay safe.